the elevator at the Best Buy store here at the Westfield Garden State Plaza in Paramus, New Jersey. And oh my God, that sounded horrific. There's your phone. Bell. Let's go up to 2. That sounded horrible. This is the final ride, by the way. So this elevator is getting replaced because Best Buy is relocating. Sounds horrible.
I'm too happy.
Please right out there. I do not need them knowing. That is horrible. Oh my God. 2,500 pound capacity. This thing is awful. Thank God this store is closing. Best Buy, you're actually making a smart decision to leave this mall. Oh my God. For a Schindler MT that was installed in the late 1990s? Horrible. There's your Schindler logo. There is a security guard right there, so I'm not trying to get noticed. 95 installation. There's a chime. There it goes, and that's it. It's supposed to be the chime, actually.
Hey, sir?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, I just have an interest in elevators.
What?
I just have an interest in elevators.
Okay, well, you can.
Now you probably might be wondering, why am I filming a video? Well, this, folks, is going to be the brand new Best Buy here in Paramus. And that's right, the Best Buy at Westfield Garden State Plaza is closing, and this right here is the new location for it. So it's going to be interesting to see how this Schindler MT is going to be out of service pretty soon, starting next year. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of the new Best Buy store. There's not really a lot to see, but this will be Best Buy according to the floor plan for Bergen Town Center East on urbanedge.com. Link will be in the description below to show you guys. So anyways, guys, thank you again for watching this little short clip. I hope you enjoyed the elevator video as well. That's it.